This video is about how to add oil with stabilizer to a two-stroke engine. So first, I wanted to show you how much it costs. So it's less than $5. You have a couple of different choices here. So I chose the cheapest one because it doesn't really matter. It's for my two-stroke leaf blower. And this is 1 gallon container right here. I already have one. I just wanted to show you what 1 gallon container looks like. So the manufacturer is asking to add the two-stroke engine oil fuel stabilizer with 1 gallon of fuel. So I already have some fuel inside there, and I'm just going to add some more so that we get it to 1 gallon mark. Once that happens, we should be able to just add the fuel mixture or the stabilizer for the two-stroke engine. So I decided to buy a knockoff brand like this one, PowerCare. I mean, it's not going to make any difference. It has the right ingredient for the two-stroke engine. So, what I recommend is you empty out the whole bottle, then you just throw the bottle out. And then next thing to do is to mix it, Once I get the cover on, I should be able to mix it and add it to my leaf blower with no problem. Unless you have a landscaping company, you might be doing this once in 6 months or once in 3 months or once a year, depending on how much of two-stroke engines you are using. That's why I wanted to make a quick video to use it as a reminder, because sometimes I forget, believe it or not. So I have to look up to see, what do I have to do. So now that I have a video, I would be using this video for myself as well. So once you have it all mixed up, all you have to do is just add the fuel into your two-stroke directly. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. If you're still watching my video, I have a little bonus for you. I'm going to show you how to turn this leaf blower on. Most people don't know, or most people forget. There are steps to follow. And once we have the fuel tank filled, what we have to do is prime it. You have to push this button 10 times to prime the carburetor, and you hold the nozzle and then pull on it a couple of times until you hear the engine trying to start. Then you move it to warm up. Then you keep on pulling on it until the engine starts, like you saw me do. And that's how you start a leaf blower.